Hey, this is Connor Sims. This is for lecture assignment number 2. The first question was, what does the use of technology look like in your specific professional setting, physical education or sport? For physical education, I would say that what it looks like in my classroom or my gym would be the use of wearables such as pedometers or heart rate monitors. I just feel like that's the easiest way to kind of track the students, their MVPA, their movement throughout the class. So that's kind of what it looks like most of the time in my professional setting. Also, something that I have done and would continue to do is the Kahoot game. Kahoot.it is a big thing with the kids and even with college kids now, and being a way to assess those students. And then in sport, Coach My Video is always a big thing. And then they also have, for baseball, there's many different things or technologies you can use. Driveline's a big one. Rapsodo's another one that could be used in that sport of baseball. I mean, it can be used in any sport, but baseball in particular. So the second question is, out of the technologies introduced and with your particular background experience or less experience, which one would I consider? Like I said, I would think that wearables would probably be the easiest one because I have already taught in my undergrad with those wearables, and then just continuing to teach with wearables is a really easy way. The national average is to get 50% of MVPA in your class per class period, so that's an easy way to track it if you're using a wearable. So that's kind of what I would base the reason why I would implement that in my professional setting. Also, really any other type of thing to assess students, like Kahoot is a big one. I'd never heard of the other one that was covered in the lesson, but Kahoot was a big one for assessing students. So anything like that to assess students I would think to implement that into my classroom or my gym. And then the third question is, identify and share one strategy to raise money for the use of technology in your physical education program. So for this one, I actually haven't ever done that. I know you talked about writing grants, and that's really an easy way because not many of the teachers really think about writing grants or even access that money. So that's really an easy way, is to write grants, like you said. The fun run was always a big one when I was in school. I don't know if that's still around as much in the schools, but the fun run was a big fundraiser for us. Then, I mean, you can really get into any 5Ks. If there's some in your community, you can partner on with them and kind of use that. I know that's one of the things that Georgia AFERD's doing right now, is they're trying to get in to partner on with a 5K race so they can get be a part of that and also get fundraise for that, for Georgia AFERD, and get money from that. So that's another way that you can do that to get technology. So that was that assignment. Thank you.